All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get your rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today, we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. In the last 24 hours, this coin is up 20%. Lots of good things going on. It's got a whole new website, so the website is fantastically awesome. We're going to go to that. And Dogelon Mars has flipped with Uniswap to be the most traded coin among the top 1,000 ETH whales. So guess what? It's the number one traded coin now among the whales is Dogelon Mars. So all this awesome stuff going on with Dogelon. Also, we're going to be jumping over to El Salvador, buying the dip. So they like to buy the dip. We're going to talk about that a little bit. Then we're going to go to the top 50 and look at some discount buys right now and kind of see if there's things that you may want to put on your radar. All kinds of good stuff going on. Dogelon Mars up 20%. Most traded coin among ETH whales. Going to dig into this. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person on the planet learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. So with that, let's head over to Dogelon Mars. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, checking out Dogelon Mars at 118, up 20% in the last 24 hours. Now, basically, clicking it, in the last 24 hours, it's up 20%. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, and 1283 is the price. In the last 7 days, the coin has been coming down, but notice this big bounce back with 20% in the last 24 hours. Fantastic news right there. Jumping over here, Dogelon Mars flips UNA to become the most traded token among the top 1,000 ETH whales. Right here, we got Dogelon and Uniswap. They're flipping positions. Dogelon Mars is the most traded token among the top ETH whales, and its flip tokens becoming in its way. Elon has flipped Decentraland Mana twice last month and took the top spot among the ETH rich list. Just recently, Uniswap token, UNA, took the top spot, and then Dogelon Mars zoomed ahead and tumbled Uniswap during the process. Elon is now the most traded token among the top 1,000 ETH whales and defeated Uniswap and Mana. Whale stats data shows just in Elon has flipped UNA to become the most traded token among the top 1,000 rich list whale sites. Whale stats. Says right here the crypto market is being dominated by the meme coins, and Elon has made inroad taking large shares of the revenue pie. The fierce competition in the altcoin segment, Elon made the top despite the new to the market. Meme tokens. In addition here, Elon is also the second most searched meme token, revealed CryptoRank in November of 2021. Token has also revamped the website, recently adding more information about the utilities. The new website is very helpful, an illustrations guide for newcomers to get started with Dogelon Mars. Now here's something that's really cool. Crypto.com enabled borrowers on Elon and users that can borrow up to half of their portfolio value in Elon and get as low as 1% APR. Also, LA Token Exchange lists Elon, and India's biggest trading platform, WazIRX, recognized Elon as the prominent token. Right here it says the whale stats, the top 1,000 ETH risk list. Right here, the whale stats, the top ETH Ethereum rich list. Just in, Elon has flipped UNA to become the most traded token among the top 1,000 ETH risk list. So you got it, everybody. So Dogelon Mars is the second most searched token, which is really good. And now among the whales, the ETH whales, it's the most traded cryptocurrency token right now on the planet. Fantastic news. Now with that, let's go ahead and talk about El Salvador buying the dip. So they've been doing this a lot. Right before, after Thanksgiving, they bought the dip. Just the other day, they bought the dip. They're into picking up Bitcoins, and they're always buying the dip. What's going on? Here we are. El Salvador buys the dip. It purchases another 150 Bitcoin worth $7.3 million. Bitcoin most recent price drop. El Salvador from buying the dip once again. El Salvador pro-Bitcoin president updated earlier today that the country has reacted to the country's recent price crash by purchasing 150 more coins at an average price of $48,500. It's safe to say that El Salvador is the most bullish country on Bitcoin. Most recently, they intend to build a Bitcoin city and buy 500 million more worth of the asset through this special bond. And again, El Salvador bought the dip. 150 more coins at an average price. 48,670 is the average price. All right, back over here at Dogelon Mars' new website. Just look at the facelift that they just gave. This new website is basically maybe a week to week and a half old. They got crypto.com right here on the front, Uniswap right on the front, KuCoins right on the front, and OKEX right here on the front. Again, it says, I am Dogelon Mars. Join me together and we'll reach the stars. You know, you can join their community. They want you to go ahead and follow them on their Twitter account. They have over 300,000 plus on their Twitter. And over on their Telegraph, they got over 84,000 plus. You would click over here to the right and click follow, and you can kind of join either one of those. Kind of neat. You can get the Dogelon Mars sticker pack. Just go ahead and download it right here. It's got the Cosmic Saga Begins. They got Dogelon Mars comic number 1, number 2, number 3. You can kind of just move along here and watch the comics of what's going on with Dogelon. Right now, the coin is ranked at 118. It's got a market cap of 703.18 million. A volume of 60.30 million. This is the part they were talking about, the quick start guide. This is for new beginners that are trying to figure out how to get Dogelon Mars. It's right here on the website, pretty easy. We're going to go through the 4 steps. Number 1, it's going to say create a MetaMask wallet. Create a MetaMask wallet using either the desktop computer or an ISO Android mobile phone device. This will allow you to buy, sell, send, or receive ELON. So first thing you got to do is you got to create yourself a MetaMask wallet. Number 2, send the ETH to your wallet. You can buy Ethereum ETH directly on MetaMask, or you can transfer it to your MetaMask wallet for exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. Number 3, connect your wallet. Access your wallet by clicking connect to your wallet and select the MetaMask. Number 4, swap ETH for ELON. You can start swapping as soon as your ETH is available. Press the select token and enter the token address or search for it on the token list. So right there, there's the 4 ways that you can actually get Dogelon Mars. Right there, pretty simple. All right, back over here at Coin Market. So what's our price prediction? Well, with everybody and the whales are basically trading Dogelon Mars more than any coin right now on the planet, I definitely think that one of those zeros are going to get crushed. There's 5 zeros. There's more ETH whales buying Dogelon Mars than any other coin. It just basically flipped. It just flipped UNA just today, and it just flipped Mana a couple days ago. So more and more whales are buying this coin than any other coin. Yeah, it's going to keep going up, up, up. With that, we're going to kind of dig through a couple coins here for discounts. Take a look right above here. Bora is down 27% in the last 7 days. That could be a good discount buy. Take a look at REV is down 18% in the last 7 days. We got XDC is down 15% in the last 7 days. IMX is down 38% in the last 7 days, number 82. You want to check that out. It's traded at $5.07. Again, all our information is for educational purposes on our channel. Thor Chain is down 28% in the last 7 days. Take a look at that, number 71. We got Gala's down 23% in the last 7 days. And then we got number 1 Bitcoin. It's been down 10% in the last 7 days. Did bounce back 3% in the last 24 hours. So with that, all kinds of good information. Dogelon Mars has got a new website. Dogelon Mars is also flipped Uniswap as the most bought token by the ETH whales. All kinds of good stuff going on with that. It just flipped Mana a week ago, is the most bought token also. So lots of good stuff going on. El Salvador is buying the dip, so check out that. You know, look at your cryptocurrencies when they're on a discount. Maybe a good time. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Monday through Friday, we're bringing a video every single day at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And there's Sophie taking a look, jumping up on the thing. Sophie wanted to be part of the video again. You got to love her. So, all right, she lost my thought. So with that, everybody have a fantastic day. We'll see you tomorrow. Oh, don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.